Did you know that dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell? It's no wonder why these loyal and lovable animals have made such great companions over the years. Their incredible olfactory prowess gives them a special superpower. In this video, we dive into 12 fun facts about a dog's sense of smell and how they utilize it in their everyday lives to not only find food, but also enhance their overall quality of life. Let us know which one is the most impressive one for you. Comment down below. We like number 10 a lot. So if you want to learn more about your pup and get insight into why they act the way they do when presented with certain smells, watch on. Fact number 1. Dogs have about 220 million scent receptors in their noses, compared to humans who have 5 million. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, far greater than humans. Their noses are equipped with about 220 million scent receptors compared to humans who only have 5 million. This allows them to notice anything from subtle changes in the air to tiny particles of sweat, or even more specific smells like identifying a person by their exact scent. Not only are they capable of smelling up to 100,000 times better than human noses, but their brains can also process smells much quicker and better than ours. The special anatomy of a canine's nose allows them to accurately detect patterns in different odors more rapidly and easily than we can. Utilizing these abilities effectively is particularly important in police work and tracking where dogs can be used as a reliable source of detection. Fact number 2. Dogs can tell the difference between identical twins based on their scent. One of the most interesting aspects of scent recognition in dogs is that they are able to distinguish between identical twins, even if people cannot. This has been demonstrated through a series of experiments where dogs can correctly select one twin from a group with only guidance from their sense of smell. The exact method by which dogs can achieve this is still unknown, but it shows an almost unbelievable level of accuracy in their abilities. Not only does it give insight into dog behavior and communication, but it is also a very useful tool for scientists studying mammal-like behavior and cognitive functions. Fact number 3. Male dogs tend to be better at detecting smells than female dogs. Male dogs have a distinct advantage when it comes to detecting smells. With their sense of smell up to twice as strong as female dogs, males have the ability to pick up on subtle scents that females may miss. This can make all the difference in tracking down an animal or locating someone who has gone missing. Male dogs can also sense if food has gone bad more quickly than females. Researchers believe that the extra sensitivity has something to do with larger olfactory lobes, part of a dog's brain responsible for analyzing smells. All these abilities make male dogs well suited for activities such as working in search and rescue and pest extermination operations where sharp noses are vital. Fact number 4. Puppies lose their sense of smell when they are around 4 to 6 weeks old. Most pet owners are familiar with the adorable, soft fur and puppy-like enthusiasm that comes with a new pup at home. What they may not know, however, is that it is also an important time in terms of development. During the period between 4 to 6 weeks of age, puppies learn to adapt to their environment through sight and sound, even experiencing fear for the first time, but simultaneously lose their sense of smell. This process helps them to better focus on taking in more visual and auditory cues for learning about the world around them. Although temporary, this decrease in smell will typically only last a few weeks until the scent glands begin to mature and puppies can take in more scents from their ever-expanding surroundings. Fact number 5. Dogs can smell things that are far away and buried underground. With their noses leading the way, dogs can detect scents that are from miles away, or even things that are hidden deep underneath the ground's surface. Their noses have thousands of cells just waiting to pick up distinct odors, and it is estimated that a dog's sense of smell is about 10,000 times stronger than a human's. If you ever want to find something lost, a dog would be your best bet. Fact number 6. Dogs can smell cancer and other diseases. This skill has been harnessed to detect a number of diseases, specifically cancer. By training dogs to accurately identify the scent of diagnosable illnesses, they can be used as efficient medical diagnostic tools. Clinical studies have proven that specially trained dogs are over 90% accurate in detecting cancer cells, leading researchers to believe there is a distinct and distinguishable odor emitted by carcinogenic cells. This has allowed the use of these furry friends in the early detection stages of many major diseases, giving patients the best possible chance of survival. Fact number 7. Dogs can smell fear and anxiety in humans. The heightened sense is so precise that dogs have the ability to detect fear and anxiety in their human companions. Studies have found that dogs can identify subtle scents that are released when a person is feeling anxious, giving them the ability to offer emotional and comforting support when their owner needs it most. This invaluable connection helps explain the strong bond between humans and their furry friends. After all, no one understands us like our canine companions. Fact number 8. Dogs use their sense of smell to communicate with each other. Dogs are always fascinating creatures, and their capabilities to communicate never cease to amaze us. A major part of canine communication takes place through scent, allowing them to exchange information related to social hierarchies, reproduction, warnings, and even familiar elements in the environment. Furthermore, different odors can be used by dogs to express things such as aggression and fear, even from a distance. By using their noses for so many matters, it is safe to say that for dogs, smell really is worth 1,000 words. Fact number 9. Senior dogs may not be able to detect smells as well as younger dogs, but they often have a better sense of taste. Senior dogs may not have the same keen sense of smell as their younger counterparts, but that doesn't mean they're not just as capable. In fact, senior dogs are known to have a better sense of taste thanks to their more peaked senses of sight and sound. This means you can trust your older pup to pick out the best tasting treats in your cupboard. Moreover, they won't jump ship when variety is added to their diet, unlike their younger relatives who tend to be more finicky with food offerings. So, if you ever wondered why your senior pup seems so adamant about choosing certain meals over others, it's because their mastery of sensing taste has them searching for the most delicious dish. Fact number 10. Dogs will often scent mark objects by peeing on them to claim them as their own. It's natural for dogs to mark their territory with bodily secretions like urine and feces in order to signal presence and ownership. This behavior is called scent marking and usually occurs when a dog smells something interesting, whether it be within the house or outside. While female dogs typically raise a leg while marking their scent, male dogs are more likely to urinate on objects horizontally as they can produce more urine that way. This could be done unconsciously or intentionally. Either way, it's simply canine instinct at play. Dogs naturally act on their driving forces for dominance and territories. By scent marking, they are instinctively claiming objects as their own. Fact number 11. Some dogs are able to sniff out explosives, drugs, or missing people. Dogs are truly amazing creatures. Their sense of smell is on a whole different level, with some being trained to do incredible things. Many police and military personnel use dogs for their efficiency in extra life-saving duties, sniffing out explosives, drugs, or even missing people. It is a remarkable process. These dogs can detect the faintest scent of objects that the human nose cannot sense. Not only is it a highly important skill for those in law enforcement and those who require such detection abilities, but it is also an incredible effort on behalf of the compassionate animals that take part in these vital roles. Fact number 12. Dogs can track scents over great distances, even across water. Dogs are remarkable animals with incredible tracking abilities. They have the capability to track scents over vast distances, even across water. It's no surprise that dogs have been an integral part of search and rescue teams for years. Their enhanced sense of smell allows them to sniff out any target with great accuracy, no matter where it is located. Interestingly enough, some dogs can also use their noses to detect certain medical conditions in people and livestock, like diabetes or cancer. From locating missing persons to finding lost items, these four-legged crime fighters demonstrate how effective scent tracking can be when given a proper purpose. Now we're at the end of this video. If you got value from this video, you'll also like this video. Thanks for spending time with us.